Hello guys, this is my another video of Hot Wheels. I'll show you the growler. You can't see it. Put it more closer. Like that. Nah. Okay, that's alright. And here is the car of growler. I like the car, but it's like something. We live here in Philippines, but I bought this at Toys R Us, and I bought this, the one I showed you, this cool one, the Hot Wheels cool one. We gotta show you again. There's another arrow here, Hot Wheels. There's an arrow in here. It says Hot Wheels. There's another arrow and it says Hot Wheels 2. The wheels is orange and yeah. And you're gonna check this out in the Toy Kingdom of Esamara. If you're in the Philippines, we're in Villaggio here. Why? But no, when it's night or raining, don't come in here, 'cause anything will be happening in your airplane. Like when it's stormy or when it's stormy in the America, you should not come here. Only in the sunny days you can come here, but it's already night here when it's already sunny in your house. Mine is night. Yeah. So yeah. Huh? Yeah. Yep. And my brother is playing Mario Kart Wii.
CTGPR for the win.
Yeah, with custom tracks. And he's gonna get Mario Kart 8, 'cause next time we will die forever. But you know that, right? But
Mario Kart we will die until the VLC shutting down.
yes.
So yeah.
Yeah. And then we got okay. So yeah. Yep. Let's try to roll it. Well, it's bumpy. Okay, then we're here in the carpet to roll them who's bumpy. It's like a kind of yeah. It's not so bumpy when you roll it in the carpet. It's like yeah. But this one no. When this one is not so bumpy, 'cause it means in the box. Because it means in the box off-road. Yeah. So let's play with it. Let's try who's bumpier. Ready, go. Yeah, it's loose. And then this one is like bumpy more, this one. But this car is not, because it says off-road. Let's